1, 2, 3.
Let's say Gat Kim. I zoomed too far.
Get into it, man. Hey T, did you use paddles? Oh, okay, bet. Bro, that's a freaking Hyundai. Hey, bro, that's on fire. Heck yeah, man. What all you got done to it?
Nothing, bro. That's stock.
Oh, really? That's on moving, boy. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah, I do YouTube. And I'm on Instagram, zekes.media. Alright. AT, hold on. T. We in Brookhaven, bro. Yeah, nah, cops, they be hiding over here. He just started. That boy going crazy. But yeah, nah, cops, they real life be hiding over here though. So I'd say definitely wait until we get on the highway or something. Man. Alright, T, just record it. Get the content. You said what, bro?
I said I bought that car.
Oh, nah, that joint nice. Bro, you gotta get used to using them paddles though, bro. Shoot, if you really trying to gap some. Although regular drive is still fast too. Like that. Hey man, so right now, currently here at the meet, bro. It's T's first time coming out to this joint, man. How you feeling?
It's not my first time. I always kept it for camera.
This ain't really his first time. His first time with his car though.
Okay, yeah, you can say that. I'm chilling. I'm looking at Abu over there. You know his ass.
Hey, wait.
Give me gas.
Hey, let me see your phone. Camera like it's still on.
Let me just cut itself back on.
Turn it off. We just can't.
I mean,
So we can't head to the city then, if that's the case.
I bet you can't start your shit up faster tomorrow.
Says who?
Hey, don't use a remote start, G, man.
I was about to.
But I just watched this car.
Is that one of your cars?
Huh?
Is that your car?
Yeah.
That shit hard.
Yes, man.
What you got done to it?
It's your whip. What you get done to it, man?
For now, just think about doing a drag pack on it, hopefully, and then in the future, supercharger. So yeah.
In the future, show that shit now. Don't
Bro,
wait.
if I had the money, I'd have been got that joint, man.
That's how it is, bro. Like, if I had the money, I'd do it.
I'm telling you, heck yeah. But yeah, thinking about just getting a drag pack and a supercharger for it.
One of them other Corvettes is trying to raise people for money.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He came up to me like, you trying to raise?
Heck
Talk about
nah.
that C7?
I think, yeah. It's the C7, the black one.
See, that's because he know what he got. That's why we need to build our joints to make them faster than that joint.
Yeah.
You be pushing that motherfucker?
Every day.
I used to have one too. I would just whip it like it was a cat.
I put some nice songs in there for real. The sound immaculate. But I ain't do nothing yet. I'm thinking about LS swapping it. And bags. I already got some wheels. I got my tires, so I think I'm gonna rock with it like that.
Nah, they're hard. That was my first car. Fucking
Really? Heck yeah, man.
Shits are hard.
Nah, that's
I whipped that bitch like it was a Hellcat. I'm already know now. You do the same thing.
Heck yeah.
I whip that shit like a Hellcat too.
This shit.
Thank you,
I put an
man.
intake on that. I thought I was the shit. Nah, I feel you, shit, bro. I just got rid of it to get that 5.0.
Oh, word.
You got a 5.0?
Oh,
Heck, manual?
shit,
6 speed?
So what?
6 speed or 10?
6 speed.
6 speed? Manual or auto? Heck yeah, bro. That's what's up.
Still hard.
Shoot.
I'm jealous. Man, I'm looking at the M5 comps, to be honest, bro.
You trying to go big boy status?
trying to get the M5
Heck
comp.
yeah, man.
If it's not the M5, probably the GT500.
That's what's up.
Maybe that.
I want the M8 competition. That's what I really
Them shits are
want.
hard, bro. I was like, them shits are hard.
Yeah,
Bro, them
I like
10
them.
speeds be fast as fuck, though.
Nah,
I
they
got rid of
are.
Mopar and I went Chevrolet with y'all.
Oh really?
I had a wide body and then I traded for the Camaro. But like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know which I like better right now.
I feel you. I feel you on that. Me personally, if I got a Hellcat or some junk, literally I get a Charger, a wide body Charger, but I get a rolling shell and LS swap it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah.
I always want LS swap something.
I'm telling you, LS swap the world, bro. I'm telling you, man.
How long you had it?
Recently just got it actually, probably about like a week or two now.
Oh, fuck it.
Yeah.
This is your
Bro,
first
you gotta
meet with
cam
it, or
that
you be
shit.
going to beats?
You said what?
This is your first meet with it, or you be going to beats?
Yeah, this is my first time going to meets with this.
You need to cam that shit. It's gonna sound crazy.
Yeah, I want to go stage 3
That's
cam.
what I'm trying to cam that bitch, just chopping.
Heck yeah, man, I'm telling you.
Bro, my first meet with my 5.0, bro. After driving a Civic for like 5 months.
Yeah.
Good as shit was looking, bro.
Nah, I felt that, bro. I'm telling you, I felt that.
Hell yeah.
Cause like before I had got this, I had a 02 Honda Accord.
Bro, that's the wave. Always go Honda Accord first before any car.
Yeah, for sure.
At least,
Can't
go,
go wrong.
at least go Honda. What you trying to get next?
Ugh, that's a good ass question. I was looking at some C7s.
Fuck yeah.
I don't know yet. We'll see how that goes.
What's that family, bro? What's that family?
Somebody gonna say that, bro.
Our homeboy already got his thing. You know.
Right, so I know that.
Or Charger. I'm telling you.
Is it a S550? The newer one?
Yeah, the new one is the S650.
No,
I got-
not the X650, the one below that.
Yeah, S550.
Yeah, that one.
Oh.
Bro, I think S197s and S550s are the best generations, to be honest.
Yeah,
They fucked it up with the S650s.
I heard about that.
They
I heard
fucked
about
up with
that.
But the S650 taillights on the S550s, they look
Nah, to be honest, that'd be clean as hell.
I don't like the body style of the new ones.
Yeah, I feel you.
That boy is laying frame in the freaking tandem. Damn, my boy.
Yes, off the boat.
I was like, ain't no way this freaking super scraping.
I think I'm gonna bag it first. I'm gonna bag it first.
You got to put starlights in it.
You should, Loki. They be looking good in the Accords. Like,
I actually don't got a sunroof.
No, it don't.
So, hey, bro, put an Apex Customs. Apex
He's
Customs.
the guy to go to. Fuck with you on the price.
I ain't gonna lie, what they should have did in them Accords, if they had
Cause my boy, he got starlights in his Accord.
yeah,
Shit look crazy. Like, it look good.
nah, they should have done the panoramic sunroof. That would have been tough.
What you thought to the 7.3 though? That ain't pretty tough.
Nah, I've been seeing this junk all over freaking Instagram, and this junk is clean as fudge. I'd get one.
Nah, the wide body.
I think I'm at Dicky. I don't like BMWs.
Oh, you don't like Beamers? Nah, I'm a Beamer fanatic. I love
I like
it.
some. My boy switched me. I like some 4s
When
and
you get
5s, the older
Huh?
ones.
When did you get one?
Some of them be too hot. Cause I really wanted the I wanted the M2, the base model M2 before I had got it.
that's P.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's W. You got the WRX one. Shit got clean.
But you can't go right
Yeah,
with
I
it.
get
Wrong with
that.
that Corvette, bro.
Yeah.
It's straight. Once you,
Those shits, them engines be.
once you have it chopped, you can like, I don't want nothing
bro.
else.
That
I know,
engine
right?
be blown.
I've been watching it. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? But really, I think people just getting pro charged and they not checking their heads,
Nah, it's-
change the cylinders, change
Yeah.
the pistons.
Oh, he better tell you to move.
Yeah, that's why we move. He gonna be
We just gonna walk away.
You say that, but he gonna take a picture of your license plate. I'm telling you right now.
It's alright. It is what it is. This man T. What happened?
Man, I'm finna
finna move it.
Oh, you gotta move your car?
They don't care. Range Rover, BMW, or anything nice, they tell you it's sports car, just don't get the fuck out.
Alright.
Alright, man, so we in a vet right now. Now we trying to find a parking spot. Hey, where you think I should move to? Where you think I should move to?
Huh?
Where you think I should move to?
I say, bro, highway robbery for this shit.
I mean, hey.
Yeah.
A spot right here,
You
though,
could
but.
just stand there so no one takes it.
Hey, going that,
hold
going
it. I got
that.
Well, this shit, you got the shit for highway robbery, bro.
Heck yeah.
That shit crazy.
Bro, I better start honking this dang horn. God dang, boy. I'm not used to this thing. I ain't got no more freaking, whatchamacallits. This joint is so dang long, bro. Bruh. Man, you gonna have to back up, my guy. This joint is so dang wide.
So now, bro, we about to go crazy. But she didn't know what she did.
Boy, look at you, man. You
I'm
rock
good.
that way, bro.
Alright. See, yeah, Mr. Go 10 in the back.
That J in the back is hard.
Well, this shit must have been a bitch to 10. Bro.
Over here trying to figure this junk out. Me and T over here making fun with these people.
He did his whole car for like every window.
This shit too low, dog. I ain't
Hey,
gonna
pop the hood, Z.
This shit too low.
Oh my goodness.
Motherfucker look like that. I never seen the tail lights.
There's a.
I ain't never seen this shit before in my life. See, I ain't never seen this shit before in my life. It
Damn.
doesn't even turn around.
To be honest, come over here.
Alright, so fuck it. What we're gonna do? We're gonna run across?
I was thinking about.
This shit fast.
But yeah, man. Right now, currently gotta go use the bathroom, so we in Chipotle, and that's that. Yeah. So if you want some, heck yeah. I bet. I ain't gonna lie to you. Go. It's funny because we look at that first. Oh shoot. You got this like shoot. Alright man, hold on. Let's see what these boys got going on. Oh, they done left. It's hard.
That's
Yeah,
buddy
man.
too.
He did say his own was louder than his dad's. That's not tough. I like it. Yeah, man, we in this beat right now. Dang, that G just aired out. Well, we about to walk around, look at the cars. Got T in the back vlogging. Yeah. What happened?
Someone thought we was somebody we had to fight. That's what I said.
Oh. This like stinks. That's about to be you soon.
No. See this right here? Turn around. Right here. I need to beat this.
Yeah, you right.
I need to get supercharged fast.
Hey, well, I'm about to go look at this G80 on Slicks. God, right here. God, dang. This thing is nasty as heck. I'm trying to be. Oh, bro, look at his freaking gauge. You see how we did the tent? He say he trying to race. Beat it? Oh. That's that Mopar talk right there.
No, it is. This dude bold as hell. This guy's like not beating it.
That's a Pro Charge. Hey, but anyways, they got this big body G80 over here on slicks, my guy. This thing is nasty. My bad, bro. This thing is clean as heck. Yeah, man. They got everybody out. It's like. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
She look kind of good poking out like that.
Yeah.
You look like a demon.
Dang.
Back there.
Did I just get blocked in?
Yep.
I just got blocked in.
Zeke ain't going nowhere. He be like riding the vet.
All right, man. So right now, excuse the wind show, but we are currently about to head to Velvet Taco. And yeah, man. Appreciate it, my boy. Yeah, we got M&T behind me in a Vetti. Yeah, everybody leaving right now. Dang, T, did you pull out? Currently entering the city. This man T is up far ahead because I was on the phone with my friend. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video so far. Because definitely was a lit video tonight. But as always, peaceful driving through the city, as y'all already know that.
Keep right at the fork, then continue on to Techwood Drive Northwest.
Bro, the city looks so dang beautiful at night. So yeah, now we're currently trying to get over right here. See, GPS has sent them a different way that we'd normally take. Look at them like, bruh. Charger weird. You gotta go, T. Freaking playing with these damn people. It's a supercharged RT, I think, though, if I'm not mistaken.
It's a supercharged RT.
Yeah, I think that's an RT that they put a supercharger on.
Damn.
Yeah. But yeah. Alright, man, so right now we just pulled up to Jenny's. After this, we about to after this we about to head over to Velvet Taco.
No, we're not.
I know. My bad, bro. Excuse. Yeah, man.
I ain't got no mic on.
Oh, really now? Okay. But yeah, man, that's that. And it's lit. So, yeah. Ask this man why he not vlogging? I don't know. See, I'm trying to get this man tea. You know what I'm saying? To start making content and stuff like that. But he don't want to.
One person on the camera is enough.
No. You got to vlog for your channel.
My bad.
This man. After we can go to this rooftop that me, Brianna, and Imani be going to.
Listen, I ain't going on no date with your ass.
Oh my gosh! Alright, hold on.
I got on a hoodie and camo pants.
And I got on all black. I don't want to hear it.
It's different breed.
Alright, so right now we currently over here. Y'all cannot hear a word I'm trying to say. Like, yeah. She's sick right now. Okay. And? Bruh, come on, man. Hurry up. Come on. Nah, no problem. Nah, no problem. Nah, no problem. Nah, no problem. Alright, so this man T is acting like a bum right now. I ain't gonna lie.
You ever try to hold the door open like that for me again? I will stomp your little ass.
Y'all see how this man be treating me? This is being ridiculous, bro. I don't know. But yeah, I think after this, we're gonna head to a parking garage. No, we're gonna go to the thing right here next to us. It's the hotel, I believe. And yeah, it's about to be lit, man. Bro, I'm telling you, the city looks so freaking dope at nighttime, dude. Alright, I hope y'all can see that tight. It looks so freaking hard. I need to get some ambient lighting in the car so you guys can really like see well. Alright, man, so right now we are currently over here at the location. I can't disclose that information to you guys, but yeah, we're over here right now, man. This is T's first time coming over here with the city in the background. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, if I lived in the city, I like intro the videos over here because it looks really nice in the background. But obviously, I don't live in the city, so I'm not about to do that. But yeah. Yo.
Am I in the water?
Maybe. I'm not sure. What happened? This man. Alright, man, so right now we're currently leaving the spot. This man T Wally, yo. But yeah, man, right now we currently leaving the spot though. Alright, man, so yo, what's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Zeke. So today we're currently Tonight, I should say, we are currently over here at BP with a gang. We got a gang out tonight. Yeah, Media's in the back. I think that's a cat. Probably a scat. I don't know. I got bars. You know what I'm saying?
Hello, good sir.
What's up? I could have swore. I thought she go cry. I thought she.
Oh, that's hard. Oh, you set up to your phone.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to my OnlyFans. Today we'll be at McDonald's game banging everybody in here. So
Who wants a McGangbang? Free McGangbangs on the house, McDonald's.
I don't know what they talking about, man. Tina walk. I know, I seen that. Why you ain't hop in, man?
He did for a little bit. We just getting recorded.
I was in on everybody was spitting, but I was like, hold on.
Bruh.
I know I'm the only G, but I'm still in there.
Right.
I hopped in.
I'm telling you, at this point, I don't care. I'm about to freaking get a custom titanium exhaust system, like have somebody fan that jug up for me.
I had them talking about me. All the Mustang guys just like, hold on, who was in the VQ? I was like, yeah.
They was.
But nah, your shit.
You missed it, Z.
This nigga's
I know I missed it, bro.
Kim was her and Kim was like, hey, who the hell is that?
Hey, Malik.
I'm mad you found out you could spam that shit because that shit's insane.
nigga in the car, it's like nigga going
I can pop it like once.
You really can't do that? Weird.
No, this is, he's still over there. That clean ass racist. I'm sorry.
Oh, the one that passed
Oh,
by?
he's on Tandem? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that shit. Oh my god.
Damn, like 18 something.
Yeah, he saw nigga.
Yeah,
That shit always be there too. That shit sexy.
yeah, that's my first time seeing it. Huh?
No, it's not. I promise you.
I probably haven't.
We talked about it together before, but he always did.
He went to the bathroom. Nigga, hear that shit in the car. That was when you was on the phone. Nigga kept spamming that shit. Sound like a Glock.
Imagine being outside with next to
He was letting it happen at first.
She didn't know who.
I'm sitting there looking like, okay, is he?
As soon as the part, it was on like, who did it? Who was it? I was like, I think it was.
She, I don't know.
You got Ultra, you got 8, and then
I don't know. I don't remember what it was.
848. Yeah, go flip with her.
That's definitely not your. That's definitely.
I saw Diet Coke.
I said I got 646. Yeah, I'll get that bitch. Ain't nobody going up there.
I got 840.
Yeah.
My bad.
Yo, first of all, welcome back, Kim.
That was crazier than what I did in the video.
Yeah, because you were doing it for a long time.
I was on the phone with this man. I was like, bro, what the heck? Nah, that jump was crazy. That jump was crazy.
That party shit.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you like that? You like that? You like that? You like that?
Oh, yeah, I had the beanie coming out of your eye, nigga. Yeah. I wish I had my beanie.